Welcome back to the Quantum Digest. Today we discuss how Boston Dynamics and Toyota Research Institute are teaming up to push the boundaries of AI and robotics with their latest partnership. Let's dive into why this collaboration could change the game for humanoid robots. On October 16, 2024, Boston Dynamics and Toyota Research Institute announced a major collaboration. The goal? To accelerate the development of humanoid robots by combining Boston Dynamics' hardware expertise, specifically the Atlas robot, with Toyota's advancements in artificial intelligence. This partnership is all about building robots that don't just move, they think and adapt in real-world environments. Boston Dynamics Atlas is known for its incredible mobility, and now with Toyota's AI tech, like large behavior models, this robot will be even smarter. TRI's cutting-edge AI will allow Atlas to learn tasks quickly, improving its ability to handle more complex jobs in industries like manufacturing and healthcare. Another exciting aspect of this partnership is their focus on human-robot collaboration and safety. As robots become more integrated into daily life, ensuring they can work safely alongside humans is crucial. Boston Dynamics and Toyota are helping lead the charge in this space. This partnership between Boston Dynamics and Toyota Research Institute could redefine what robots can do for us. If you're as excited about the future of robotics as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates on AI, robotics, and tech innovations.